Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can manage access to your documents and diagrams you create on Lucidchart, like for example concept maps or flowcharts and so on and so forth. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is navigate to your account here on Lucidchart, click into home and next go through the list of your documents. And here guys, you may see that button sharing options. If you hover your mouse over the given document, or alternatively you click into these three dots and from there navigate to file information and select show details. Now I can only hide the details because the show details tab is already open here. So what you will need to do guys is click into manage access to find out which collaborators are given access to the diagram. So click into it and then you will see, or you will redirect it to the share window here. So guys, you may add more collaborators by clicking into this button, for example, and set also and enter the username, of course, of the Lucidchart user. You may, for example, enable the sharing link here, and after that, use that link here to copy it to your clipboard to invite collaborators to that document. Now you can also set the accessibility and the permission, like edit and share, or only comment or view. And here guys, under or next to collaborators, you will see the list. Now click into manage and then you will see who is given or who's been given access to the given document. Now we can manage this, of course, and for example take away this permission here for the link, or if any other collaborator. Since I'm the owner, I can't take away the permission from myself, but you will see the collaborator list here. So from there you can manage that accessibility. Click into done, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.